Hi guys, it's Roman here. I'm starting my RomanLogic channel. A bit about me. So I've been working with AI for about a year. I've taught various people how to use AI through the community that I built in Hanoi, Hanoi AI Meetup group. This community has over 100 people in it. I deliver workshops and this kind of thing to help share and spread the knowledge. So what to expect here are videos on how to use AI, how to learn about AI. I am going to be sharing my knowledge, as when I started out, there was no one else to help me. So hopefully this will help some people. Let me show you some videos of some pictures of, let me show you some pictures of some of our last events. So here we go. So when I was in Hanoi, Rachel and I launched Hanoi AI Meetup group. Okay. So here is a picture of me delivering one of our first workshops. As you can see, we had some people here, and this is from the same workshop. So we have more. I also did a speech at AI Transformers Vietnam, where I had the opportunity to share with people how to build an AI virtual assistant. Here is the last one I did once I was in Hanoi. Here I was teaching a bunch of people how to do that same, building an AI operating system, which is something that I can teach everyone here as well. So yeah, that's one of the things. Another thing is a little bit of context about me. If you guys care, I got triggered to learn AI when I saw the videos of like Will Smith, right? Will Smith eating eating spaghetti. I just thought it was like such an interesting development of the AI space when that happened. And yeah, after that, I started to take some courses on Coursera because I wanted to learn more about AI skills. I wanted to work with it, but I realized there was too much theory based. So I started to watch some tutorials on YouTube about how to work with things like NAN, and that was super complex. I mean, I didn't have the skills yet, so I joined a school community where I learned a bunch more skills. And then in January 2026, I launched RomanLogic, and now I'm building AI systems, lead generation, lead nurture, sales systems, invoice systems, and other ways to like improve your business, like AI virtual assistant. So yeah, expect loads of videos. I'm really happy to help. And if you have any questions, just message me. You can see my YouTube links in the bio, and I'll be sharing much more stuff here. So thanks a lot, guys.